Hey guys! Guess what? It's Thursday, so we are back with a new video. Now, before we start, I would like to thank you. I would really like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel, everyone who watched the videos, who left a like or a comment or just stumbled upon my channel. I'm really thankful for everyone. So big, huge thank you to every single one of you. And if you're new here, new to the channel and new to me, just in general, subscribe and you'll see more of my videos in future. Now, I guess you saw the title. We are going to follow a Amberlynn Reid makeup tutorial today. I just tried to find someone whom I can follow this week, and then I just googled makeup tutorials and then her video came up. And you know, all the other videos are quite similar, like perfect looking girls with perfect skin, no need for makeup at all. And then I saw her. I thought, alright, that's cool, that's different. So now we are doing Amberlynn today. Let's start.
Can't do what I want to do with a brush. I know a lot of people do that. They do use their fingers, of course. Make sure your fingers are clean.
Are her fingers clean though? Her hands look super dirty. Is it just me? Her hands look like dirty, like she was gardening or something like that, right? Am I the only one who sees that?
They do their own things, but everyone does their makeup different. Okay, so the first thing I do is I use e.l.f. and there's this little eyeshadow right here. Literally, all I do is put it on the end.
Alright, so she just chose some random palette from e.l.f. I obviously don't have it. I don't have most of the products that I don't have any of the products that she's using. Obviously she lives in the US, I live in Europe. Most of the stuff that they can purchase, like drugstores and all that, we don't have. We do have e.l.f. now, but it's not like e.l.f. is the brand that I'm running out and purchasing like everything from them. But I found a similar palette, or I guess a palette with similar shades. So I'm gonna use that one from Pixie. And she's applying the eyeshadow with her finger. I have never done that before as far as I can remember. Like some different other products like primer or I don't know, blush or things like that, that's fine, but like eyeshadows, that's a little hard. So I'm just gonna go with whatever color. I don't even know, we're just gonna grab a random brown shade in that case.
As for like the order of my makeup,
I mean, it's still a mess. Like, look at me. It's weird. It still looks like someone punched me in the face. I mean, like she says she doesn't want to rush, but like, why doesn't she just edit the video? Like, you can crop and you can cut things out. Why, like, you don't have to do the video in real time, like live time. Why doesn't she just edit it? I don't get it.
It usually takes me about an hour to do my makeup, and I don't want this video to be an hour, so I will be rushing a little bit.
So that's what it is. That's what it looks like. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep watching. Maybe it'll turn out beautifully at the end. I don't know. I've watched like the first minute and we're already over the minute. So wish me luck.
It's just like the shimmery stuff that I literally love so much.
Alright, so now she's putting some shimmery stuff on her face. I do have a lot of shimmery stuff in my collection. Because of lighting, I'm not 100% sure what color the shimmery stuff really is. I feel like it's something yellowy, orangey, but then again it could be like white, silverish. I don't know. I got those two here. This is more like a pinkish reddish. This is more of a yellowish golden shade. And I've got this one where the first shade is basically like a white shimmer. But again, I can't really tell what color her thing is. I think I'm gonna go with the white pigment. I haven't used any eye primer, no glue, no nothing, so I don't know how this is going to stick. Probably not at all, but she does it, so I'm gonna do it as well.
And I just put a little bit like this because I really love the look of shimmery and sparkly.
Okay, so that didn't make it any better at all. It actually made it worse because now I have pigment all over my face. Like, help.
looks. I feel like I'm rushing so hardcore right now. I just do not want this video.
What's with the lightning? I don't even see what she's doing. Like, what's with the lightning?
You're a type of girl. I am no longer like that, which is very shocking. Okay, so the next thing I do is my eyeliner.
Okay, so time for eyeliner. Alright, I've got black liner as well.
It gets uneven sometimes. Just for video purposes, if it is uneven, I'm gonna leave it because I don't want this video to be super long.
Okay, so I think the liner looks about the same as her liner, so I'm gonna keep it that way for now. I mean, I don't think I made anything better at all, but it's just a mess. Whatever.
Really, all you need is a little bit of water. Like, that's what I love about this. Sometimes you don't even need water. Okay, so for video purposes, I don't want to make this too long. I'm just gonna leave it.
The lightning. Jesus, fix the lightning. For video purposes, I'm gonna leave it. Do it again and shows how it's supposed to look like. Okay, so she's using a glitter eyeliner on top of the loose pigment. Gonna use a heavy metal liners.
Dab a little bit, like that. I know it's so weird. And then I'll blend it like this. And bam, we have more glitter.
Okay, so she's got a more, I think it's moisturizer or a primer. Priming moisturizer, no idea. She didn't really show what it is, so I'm just gonna use a primer instead.
What I do here is just prime your face. And for those of you wondering why I do my face last sometimes,
So that's on primer.
is because if I have my primer, oh, I look so cute.
Did she just say, oh, I look so cute? Like, is she giving herself compliments? Honestly, her trying to explain what fallout is, or like fallout, eyeshadow fallout, is literally me with my terrible English trying to film videos. This is just 100% me.
You really don't need much, so that's all I'm gonna use for my full face.
And then she used like a drop, like literally a single tiny bit drop for her full face. Like, how's that supposed to work out?
Sometimes that's even too much. And then I'll just dab it. Sometimes I'll use more. Really just depends on how I'm feeling. Alright, so I will start up top as per usual. I always start up here and just work my way down. I recommend this foundation through and through.
Okay, so that did absolutely nothing for me. You can still see all the redness. You can still see my slit over here. Everything up here, and like, that didn't do anything for me. Oh, okay. Did she just say this is sometimes even too much? Come on. Like, calm down.
For that and my own freaking winged eyeliner. Okay, so this is the part that people are probably gonna be like, Amberlynn, no. Well, let's do my mascara first.
Okay, so she's using a mascara now. I'm gonna do the same. She doesn't curl her eyelashes or anything. I'm gonna skip on that as well.
My mascara, I use, this is my favorite. This is Maybelline, the Lash Sensational, yes, and I can't say that word, Somtuix, you know me, I can't pronounce anything. But the effect is Ultra.
Okay, so while she's doing her eyelashes, I'm gonna do my brows now because she's done them already.
Obviously I do the very black of everything. Mascara usually takes me forever. Again, video purposes, I don't want to sit here and ramble my life away. I can't believe I'm already almost done with my face. Not quite though, so hang on tight. I'm just trying to rush it.
So she's using blush instead of bronzer, as far as I understand. Like, blush is supposed to go on your cheek, but she's using it like where the bronzer or the contour is supposed to go. My face is already super red. Like, am I supposed to add more redness? Should I do it? Of course I'm gonna do it.
Don't worry, I blend that shit like there's no tomorrow, but I still keep a little bit.
I look like garbage. Okay, so she's using a white shimmer eyeshadow as highlighter.
Like this, all right here. This stuff goes a long way, so you do not need a lot. Like I'm talking just...
So she said the brand, the shade, and the number of the lipstick. I'm proud like a mommy. I swear to God, I'm so proud. Amberlynn, well done. I mean, it's not like you're supposed to tell every single piece that you're using. Like, it's not like you're supposed to explain every single, you know, product that you're using and, you know, say the shade and the range and whatnot. No, like if they pop up somewhere on the screen, that's even better for me personally, because, you know, you can see everything. That's what I would like to do it, and that's how I think I'm going to do it. Like, just blend it in whatever you're using with the shade or whatever, but like not explaining anything. This is a makeup tutorial, and she's just like, yeah, I'm using this and then this and this and also this and this. Like, no one can follow. If people like the tutorial, they are supposed to go out and then buy what you used, right? But who's gonna buy any of this, because no one actually knows what it is, and even if you see what it is, you don't know what shade it is. Like, okay, time for lipstick. No worries.
Love it.
Now for the look. I think from far away it looks alright. Like, I'm watching myself in the computer and it looks okay. Like, it's still kind of a mess because I can see everything, all the redness like here, and then where was it? The zit up here. I can see everything. Like, as for a natural look, yeah, I think it's fine. But again, it's not for me. Like, applying eyeshadows and everything really with the fingers is not my thing. I don't know what to say about the blush on my face. But yeah, just in general, my face is a mess. I'm gonna go and wash it all off now. And yeah. And here comes the reminder to subscribe, to turn on the notifications, and to leave a like. Again, a huge thank you to everyone who's watching this, to everyone who subscribed to me. I love you all. I'm so thankful that you're here, that you're spending your time with me. I think time is the most precious that we have, like, as humans. And then knowing that you're spending your time with me and with my videos is just, I don't know, it's just really incredible, and I love you all so much. Thanks for watching, thanks for checking on me. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye!